Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to rotate or flip any YouTube video directly in your browser. First, we will need to install an extension called Rotate That Video Player. Search it in your browser, then open the first link here. After that, click on Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. This will add the extension on your Chrome browser. Once it's installed, you will see the icon right here in the toolbar. Here you can see that icon. Now head over to any YouTube video. I will open one of mine just to show you how it works. Now, once the video is playing, click the extension here and you can see it will rotate. Click again, it will rotate again and again. You can adjust the video here as well. Like you can do it, you can tilt it a bit. Here you can see I have tilted like this. So that's it. A super simple way to rotate or flip any YouTube video. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.